Hi, this is Ryan over at LaGrange Toyota, and just showed you the green Toyota Tacoma T-100. This is going to be the black Toyota T-100 right here. It's a 98 model. Go around the exterior here, let you get a good look at it. Very well conditioned. BF Goodwrench tires. Looks like brand new tires, if not fairly new. You're inquiring about the undercarriage in here, so I can kind of show you that. Looks really good though. It's got the locking gas cap, the bull bar on the front with the light, the KC lights. All the way around, 4 brand new tires, BF Goodwrench all-terrains, just put on. Alright, let's move to the interior here. See what we're looking at. We do have some camo seat covers here. I know you wanted me to see what it looked like underneath here. So we'll take a look and see if really good. You got one little tear there. Looks good under the seat cover. For 9,000 miles. Upgraded audio system here. 4-wheel drive. Very clean looking though. Another great vehicle. Jumper seats in the back. And these vehicles, whenever we get these trucks in, they do move fairly quick. So let me know what you think, and love to earn your business. And you can reach me directly at 706-302-9197.